G'day DIYs. When I'm doing a wall like this, you always do your full tile first, and then you put your cut one in because you measure them individually. The walls are very straight, but being a refurbishment, it might not be super plumb, but that's pretty good. But you still do your full tiles first. So I'll go right up my wall there. Nice. So now I've got to cut, move that across so it's on the line. I've got to get that right first before I measure my cut for the mixing valve. Come up a bit more so. The plumber's just arrived to put the toilet in. He's not my plumber, he is the owner's plumber. They got him. So I have no say in in the plumbing sort of thing. But it's all good. I must clean my levels too, DIYs. A little bit of hydrochloric acid is the best. You just give them a dip in hydrochloric or a cloth and give them a rub, and then wash them with clean water, and it cleans them up. Hydrochloric acid loves cement. It eats it. It doesn't eat plastic, but it eats cement. Oh, see how I've taped up that to protect it all the time, because it's very, very easy to scratch. 6x6s are always a little bit tricky to handle. Pop that down there. Where is my texture? That's my plumb line. A 6x3 tile is a lot easier to handle. A 6x6 is a little bit tricky to handle, and a 12x6 is even worse. Where is a piece of tile? I don't know where my tape is, it's around somewhere. I like using a piece of tile anyway. You never take any chances these days. Everyone's covers, they're all getting smaller and smaller and smaller these days, so you always make the smallest cut you can, or closest, most accurate. A DIY I do recommend, if you're doing your own bathroom, you buy the flanges with plenty of cover. I'll show you how I cut these with a 4-inch grinder in a sec. So we've got a nice round hole, like so. Nice round hole. There you are. Beautiful. Let's cut the sucker. Nice. And then you come through from your back.